Alright, so today, officially I've got 5 days, but really the last day I shouldn't be doing very much of anything except for packing. So I think today, instead of weed whacking or mowing, because I mean I can do those things on the second to last day if I need to, I'm going to concentrate on the things that I may run out of time to do but I can't afford to. So really, in my head, putting up that front gate is a priority, just so that I know the place is secure. So I think this morning what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and create a bit of a chain hinge on one side and cement in the post, so I can attach a lock to the other side as well, so that nobody can just open the gate whenever they want. Yep, so that's the plan. Cleaning I can do, quite quickly. I don't think that's going to be an issue. And same with the treatment of the mold on the outside of the containers. All that kind of stuff can wait a little bit. But the gate, I think, is a priority. So let's make some gates. Prepare for a fence post. Close enough to chain up. Some water. Just even scanning down the drive, like a lot of these trees, a lot of these trunks are scorched. So there's regular fires that happen on this property. I think it's kind of inevitable that we're going to get fires, which is kind of why the fire breaks are so essential. You can see there with the top of that tree and how tall it is. That gives you an idea about how high the fire was when it came through. So it was quite extensive, and it looks like it burnt almost completely down the driveway. The sides look a little less scorched the further I go. It's another scorched trunk. I think that one's a little bit more isolated. More charred tree trunks. So the fire would have come up about 5 meters, I'd say, at an estimate. Then another scorched trunk. This is a bit closer to the containers. So I mowed the second lawn, the second driveway should I say, and had a shower, just looking at this beautiful white parrot just flying around the trees, and the birds here are amazing. So I guess the big question is, how much is enough? How much work do I really need to do here in one trip? So I'm seeing a few small things that I need to finish up. But really, let's look at this realistically. I've got 4 more days, really. Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Today is done. It's 2 o'clock now. My shoulders are hurting because of the lawn mowing, so it's probably it for today. But yeah, how much more do I really need to do? And I think I can probably say I'm really pretty much there. So Monday's going to be a dead loss. Monday will be packing my my stuff and locking everything up the best I can. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days to do a little bit of morning weed whacking maybe, and a bit of tidying up and a bit of cleaning. So I really think I'm going to stop doing so much and try, if I can, maybe to do some oil painting or something, because I've done no oil painting since I've been here. Trouble is, at night time the bugs are just crazy, and they're biting the hell out of me, so maybe paint in the daytime. Don't see so many bugs flying around in the daytime. Yeah, so that's it really for today, and getting close to saying that's it for this this visit. But all in all, I think I've done well. The assessment has been good. I mean, I found a lot of problems, but the point is that's what an assessment is for, is to find the problems. And for most of the problems, I either found a solution or I'm working towards coming up with a solution for the next visit. So, excuse my throat. Yeah, a bit dehydrated. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. Oops. Hope you're all having a good day back in New Zealand, achieving your goals and staying positive. You know, if I can do this, you know, with severe social anxiety and physical disabilities, then, I mean, most of you have half as many problems as I do physically and mentally. So if I can do this, just imagine what you could do. So don't wait, go do it. Life's short, man. Life's short. Mine's coming to an end. 50. You know, so get out there and make the most of the world. Go see what you can, travel when you can, as much as you can afford to, and live a full, rich and beautiful life.